What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. I'm Jaisha and we are about to see if I met my hair goals for 2025. So 2025 is winding down. We are almost in 2026, but in the beginning of this year, I did make a video and I had some vision boards and some goals that I had set for myself to achieve with my hair this year. Some things that I wanted to achieve, like length retention and getting more frequent trims. We're gonna go through the video and see if I actually stuck to these things and where I am with those goals and in my hair journey. So I'll leave a link to the original 2025 hair goals video if you want to check it out, but I'm just gonna watch and react and see what the goals are that I set for myself. So here we go. My channel, or welcome if you're new here. I'm Jaisha, and in this video we are talking 2025 hair goals. I should have put timestamps on here. First up is length. And I know that probably sounds a little cliche, and you might be looking at me thinking, girl, your hair is not short. And no, I don't classify my hair as short. But the thing about it, for me, my hair has kind of been the same length for a long time now. The first goal was length retention. And I dropped the ball on this only because I didn't really take any photos of my hair in the beginning of the year. I mean, I could look back and find something from my videos and photos that, you know, I do. Obviously, I'm on YouTube. So I have videos and photos from the beginning of the year, but I didn't like intentionally do a length check to see, because why? I don't know why. I mean, clearly I wasn't taking my goals seriously enough. I mean, just like visually, I don't think my hair has gotten that much longer. I don't know. I would have to see a side by side. Let me see. Let me look at my photos to see something from, and it's hard to tell because like curly, straight. Okay, I got something from February 9th. I guess my hair is a little bit longer than this picture right here. This is a fresh trim. This is also a fresh trim. Okay, I was saying in the video, I feel like my hair kind of has been the same length, around the same length for a long time now. So that's probably like not that different from where my length is right now. I feel like it's kind of above or below, or it hovers around where you see this right now. Obviously my hair is a little bit curled up, but it's like, it gets pretty long. Every time I'm getting a trim, like when I see the before, I'm like, damn, my hair is long. But then I get a trim, then it's kind of like, oh, okay, it looks how it always looks. And the back is a little bit longer. I don't know, bro. I'm just gonna give myself a check mark for that one. Now, the second thing on my vision board, it kind of goes hand in hand with the length that I want to retain, and that is getting regular trims, staying on top of my maintenance with my ends. Goal number 2 was getting regular trims. Definitely got a pass for that. So I wanted to be more consistent about how often I was trimming my hair. I would say last year I probably did maybe 2 or 3 trims on my ends for the year. Before that, I was maybe doing 2 a year. Like, I was just going way too long in between trimming my hair, and I've just realized like it's necessary. I need to be consistent about it as a part of obviously me wanting to retain length. I definitely had to step up with my trimming, and I did very well this year. I'm very proud of myself. So I want to say 4 times this year I got a trim, and that was my goal, to do every 3 months. My first was in February, my last was yesterday. I definitely hit that goal. Now, the real question is, have I seen a difference in my hair with getting maintenance trims on time, like every 12 weeks, every 3 months? I would say it has, because I don't have to cut off as much. Like when I got a trim yesterday, honestly, the girl barely took anything off, and I was like, is she gonna cut more? Usually I have a lot of length to get off when I go for my trims, but when I was going more consistently this year, I noticed I did not have as much to trim on my ends. But I do still think, because I wasn't consistent before, I do still have some split ends that have gone further up the hair shaft that I'm still working my way on getting those down without having to do a big chop, which is not off the table. Okay, and then speaking of trims, what I want to do when I do go to get my next trim is I need to add some shape to my hair. Like my next goal was to have some shape in my curly cut. Like when I wear my wash and goes, I wanted some shape to my hair instead of it just being all the same length. Did I do that? Yes and no. I didn't completely nail down a shape that I wanted, but when I got my last trim, I did get some face framing layers. I wanted the front to be a little bit shorter than the back. Just having like the shape of it kind of being layered a little bit in the front is enough for me for now. Okay, and this goal has been on my list for a really long time. I just have been hesitant to pull the trigger and do it, and that is coloring my hair. I really want some color in my hair. Next goal was to get some color in my hair, and haha, check. Definitely did that this year. That was an easy one. I mean, not that easy. It's been on my list of, I don't know, it's been something I had been wanting to do with my hair for a while, was to color it. And I'm so happy that I did. I absolutely love the color that I chose, and I like having this color. I don't know, I just think it fits me super duper well. And initially, I was going to just kind of like let it grow out and into an ombre. But I'm thinking, like, I like the color so much, I think I might like get a touch up and like start all over again with this color. Like, I've had people be like, is that your natural hair color? Yes, it is. My natural hair color, how it is not necessarily a dark brown or black, it's just kind of this ashy, dusty brown kind of color. I don't know how to classify it, but I don't know, I'm not in love with it, and I might just be a color girl for life. As far as my maintenance with colored hair or my routine, it really hasn't changed much. I still deep condition weekly. I have been trying to do, you guys saw I did a protein treatment. I will be doing those more often. I definitely am staying on top of steaming my hair. When I do wash my hair in deep condition, I like to add my steamer to the deep conditioner, especially now in these colder months. So yeah, doing the color was a great decision. I'm very happy with it. Okay, another goal, something that I've noticed about my hair lately is when I get a silk press, it does not last. And I talked about this a little bit in some other videos, but it's kind of getting on my nerve. And I think I know why. My hair is just not used to being straight anymore. The other goal was for me to somehow figure out how to get my silk press to last. I see girls having their silk press last 2 weeks, 3 weeks. How? I'm lucky if I get a week out of this. So this hair was done yesterday, and when I got it done yesterday, actually it was completely straight. I don't even bother getting like body wave or like big curls or anything like that anymore when I go to the salon, because by the time I get to my car, it's fully dropped. Like, so what I did last night was I put my hair in 4 Bantu knots, especially because I went to the gym this morning, so I didn't want my hair to be messed up, and I went with those 4 Bantu knots in my hair and my little headband, but I also tried not to sweat. I know, doesn't make any sense. But I have been working on ways to kind of extend. I've let go of the expectation that my silk press is going to just be silky for 14 days. I'm just not even gonna fight it anymore, and that's why you see I have what I have here. I'm not gonna try to make my hair stay straight when it clearly does not want to. And so I've been trying more things with like how I preserve my hair at night. I've tried wrapping my hair, I've tried doing the Bantu knots, I have tried the heatless roller, that viral heatless roller, but I didn't necessarily try any new products, not that I can think of. I didn't try any new products for my silk presses, like oils or sprays or serums or anything like that. Like, I just wake up and go, pretty much just shake it out and that's it. I haven't really tried anything, but maybe like a serum or something might help. The biggest thing really is like when my edges get messed up, they start to get frizzy and just like curly as the days go by. Not the biggest deal, but I feel like I have made progress, but I would not say like I fully can get my silk press to last 2 weeks. So I would say that one is a half check. but I would like to have a little bit less frizz in my wash and goes. Next goal was less frizz in my wash and goes. Did I achieve that this year? Yes and no. What I will say is I'm happy with where my wash and goes are now. I think I was in a period where there was just unexplained frizz for whatever reason, and my hair just wasn't really doing what I liked. But despite the fact that, you know, my routines and products hadn't changed all that much. So I think I would say I'm over that hump. I'm happy with where my wash and goes are now, especially with the new gels that I have found from this year that I have been loving. I think it's made a huge difference, and yeah. My last goal, I need to switch it up. I want to do other things aside from just wash and goes. I need different styles, different looks for my hair. Like, I would love to be one of those girls that has a new hairstyle every week or every other week or every month. This one is also maybe a half check. I did not change up my hair as much as I would have liked to, but I still did some things. For one, being the color in my hair. I don't think I tried that many new things this year with my hair, but that is still a goal of mine, to like change my hair up more frequently. Low-key, I am a little bit tired of doing wash and goes. I do kind of want to see something else. I did try clip-ins this year. That was fun. I did have that little updo for a little while, but I mean, that was because I was a bridesmaid. So, but I did like that hair. What else did I do? I don't think I did much else. So it's either between a silk press or my natural wash and go or twist out, more than likely a wash and go. This might seem random, but I kind of want to try doing a quick weave. I don't know why. I see the girls doing them all the time, and it doesn't seem hard. So I'm gonna get me some cheap bundles from the beauty supply store, and we're gonna try a quick weave. What else do I want to try? I don't know if there's any like other specific stuff. Oh, I did try to do flat twists. Does that count? Not really. I could definitely be better about switching my hair up more, because it is something that I would like to do. But so I would say I wouldn't give myself a check for that goal. I don't think we got that one. Overall, I did not meet all of my hair goals for this year, but I'm proud of the fact that I was consistent about my trims. I'm proud of the fact that I finally did what I wanted and colored my hair, and the rest of them, we'll get there. I need to be more intentional about length retention. I should probably like measure or have a picture guide, something to see how my hair is progressing throughout the year, throughout the months. I don't necessarily have any new hair goals for 2026. I'm kind of just carrying these same goals over. Let me know if you guys want to see my favorite hair products that I tried in 2025, because I tried a good amount of new stuff this year. Some were winners, some were not. But that's all I have for the 2025 wrap up of my hair goals. We're taking them into 2026. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my videos, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.